Hello and welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a Suzuki Swift 2016 that we've upgraded the radio in. So let's show you inside. Okay, so let's just retain the factory steering wheel controls. This particular radio is a KENWOOD DMX7525DABS. It is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The radio is also a FM. Let's change that. The radio itself is actually an FM AM radio, DAB radio. It does Bluetooth streaming. In addition, it can actually add a reverse camera. We've also managed to change the factory USB, so we're retaining the Apple CarPlay. For more information on upgrading your Suzuki or any other vehicle, please email sourcesounds.com or call 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.